Hi, my name is Gail Cavanaugh, and I'm a licensed life insurance agent in the state of Rhode Island working for Boston Mutual Life. Many people say that they cannot afford to buy life insurance. In a 2015 insurance barometer study that LIMRA conducted with the nonprofit Life Happens, people were asked to guess the yearly cost of a $250,000 20-year term life insurance policy. The average person replied $400. People under the age of 25 responded $600, and 1 in 4 people responded that the bill was going to total $1,000 or more. The cost of life insurance depends on many factors. Fortunately, a life insurance agent can recommend a low-cost term life insurance policy if your financial situation warrants it. Then, when your finances improve, the term policy can be converted to a whole life policy, which accumulates cash value. It's more expensive and it lasts for your entire life, not like a term life insurance policy which just lasts up to 30 years. Now, in the event of an emergency, the whole life policy owner can borrow against the cash value, and that's one of the major benefits of purchasing a whole life policy. But if this is not possible in your situation, we can recommend a low-cost term life insurance policy. Now, the second reason why many people do not purchase life insurance is that the younger people do not feel they need life insurance because of their age. They feel they have a long life to live, and it's too early for them to consider buying life insurance. But in reality, no one knows how long we will have to live. And it would be better to purchase the life insurance while you are young because it's much less expensive. And you can pay this low rate for your entire life. In this way, a young person can lock into a low rate for whole life insurance, which is more expensive than term insurance. Now, the younger families make the mistake of feeling that they need to provide for their families now, and that's what's more important than providing for them in the event of death. However, we do not know when we will die, and with all the calamities that are happening throughout the world, and all the terrorism and so forth, the diseases that are coming out, there are other people who are dependent on your income. And in the event of an untimely death, the family will be protected if you purchase the life insurance policy while you're young. Now, people who are working believe they have adequate life insurance at work, and they don't see any reason to purchase a life insurance policy from a life insurance agent. However, if they leave the company, they will no longer have the life insurance, and they will be putting their families at risk for not having life insurance during gaps in their employment. Now, many people today, and it's very common for people to change employment several times. It's very rare for people to stay at a company for 20 years or longer. Okay, and in this situation, the circumstances, when there are gaps in employment, something could happen. And to avoid a calamity coming upon your family, it's best to purchase the life insurance policy on your own, and this way you'll always have the coverage even if you're hopping around from job to job. And also, we don't know how long these companies are going to stay in force. Many companies go out of business, and we have no idea and no indication as far as how long they're going to stay in business. So the best thing to do is to protect your family in the event that your company does go out of business. Some companies allow the employees to take the life insurance with them, but usually it's at a higher price because they have to pay what the insurer was paying for that life insurance policy. Now, additionally, if the company were to go out of business, you would have no life insurance. Therefore, it's better to purchase your own life insurance even though coverage is offered at work. Now, some people do not understand life insurance or are confused about which type of life insurance is best for them. And in that instance, it's better to consult with a life insurance agent who can help you make the decision. You don't have to make any commitments. You can just call a life insurance agent, ask them for a quote on the phone, and you have no obligation to purchase that life insurance company. But it's best to find out what your options are so that you can take the steps to protect your family. My name is Gail Kavanaugh. I'm a licensed life insurance agent in the state of Rhode Island.